We start with the standard HTML boilerplate. We include the Tailwind CSS script to handle the layout and styling, allowing us to build a nice-looking UI without writing any custom CSS. We set up the main layout container. We use Flexbox to center the grocery card in the middle of the screen and give it a clean white background with a shadow. This is the input area. We use a flex container to align the text input, the category drop-down, and the add button in a single row. Notice how the option values match the IDs of the lists below. We predefine the sections for our list. Each unordered list has an ID corresponding to a category, e.g., ID equals fruits. This allows us to easily target exactly where a new item should go based on the drop-down selection. This function handles the DOM manipulation. We create a new list item, li, and a span to hold the text. We style them using Tailwind classes to look nice immediately upon creation. We add interactivity to each item. The Bought button toggles a strikethrough class to mark it as done. The Delete button removes the entire list item from the DOM. We assemble the parts. We attach the text, Bought button, and Delete button to the list item, and then return the complete HTML element. Finally, we wire up the inputs. When the user clicks Add, we find the list that matches the selected category using document.getElementById category and append our new item there. We also allow pressing Enter to trigger the Add button.